Here's the next beast to go under the knife. Will it be cool? Rotten exhaust. It's time to start the epic 64 Impala exhaust battle. Let the fun begin. I actually started it already. It is like 100 degrees in here, and it smells like it too. There's the mystery bucket of hardware that comes with every car. There's the pretend clock. High-tech lights. $1964. Guess what's gonna cough up its exhaust? Thanks, ratty old C10. There's one Hearst-powered exhaust system officially removed, ready for the BEL AIR. Unless it's a demo derby car or completely unsavable, it's always best to still unbolt stuff. It'll probably come back and save you later on. So save the sawzall for later. Now I gotta go find some more scrap 30-degree bends. Other than that, it's beat. Just like this car is all beat. I stole these sexy pipes from my buddy's scrap bin while he was at work. So let the fun begin. I just gotta decide which muffler to use. Should I go for the hot rod effect or the quiet old station wagon effect? Well, I got her half-ass mocked up there. And there's only one part of this pipe I can use, and one I need. Can you see the magic unravel? And I still have this whole piece here. If you're making a low budget, low performance exhaust out of garbage parts, just trial fit everything, make a couple tack welds, and hopefully it'll go together for you. But you gotta be a good welder. Otherwise, every time you move it around, it'll just break. Your 1 or 2 tiny tack welds have to hold a lot of weight, so if they're not good, you're just gonna have a frustrating time. When playing around with this kind of junk, there's nothing to hang nothing from up in here. So it's a good idea to jam a rod in there. Then you have lots of height and left to right adjustments for hangers. Alright, time to finish this nightmare off. Don't forget about tire clearance, because that sure would suck. Here there's lots. There it is, finally done. And what a stupid waste of time and a nightmare. Just gotta weld up the last joint when I take it in the garage. Out of the way, out of the tires. What a nightmare. Stay tuned for a real exhaust system being built though. Not this crap. Here's another job that I absolutely don't feel like doing. And it's a complete waste of time. But it's for a favor. So what do, eh? So I've been waiting for a long time to do that. Fucking junk. So time to get her done, I guess. Stay tuned for a real exhaust build off. These are some of the components for my Grand National exhaust. And it'll be almost a no expense spare system. Fully tigged and ready to kick some serious ass. Till then though, hang in there. If I didn't have a single exhaust because it's a turbo, I'd make a crossover pipe out of one of these. Because crossover pipes are a good and inexpensive way to improve power on pretty much any engine except a single exhaust turbo engine. It adds collector volume to the exhaust system and it really improves the low and mid-range power. So I say go for it. Water and nitro injected.